Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download Darktable photo editor for free on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download Darktable photo editor for free on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, you will need to go to the official website of Darktable, since that's where we can download their app. So just search for darktable.org on your search bar. Make sure to enter it correctly so you will be directed to the website. And after searching, you will now be on the website. So to download the Darktable app on this website, it's so simple, since if you will take a look, you will now be able to see the install option right here at the top. So just go and click it. And after clicking it, you will then be directed to the downloading page of the app. So here at the downloading page, you will now be able to see the download links for the app right here. So just click a link depending on your device. In my case, I'm using a Windows laptop, so this is what I will select. And after clicking the link, there you go guys, the app will now start downloading, just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, you can now click the file to start installing the app. And then you will now begin the installation setup. So right here, you just need to agree to their license agreement. You can read it if you want, and once you've decided to agree, just click the next button. And then the installer will show you the location where your Darktable installation files will be saved. If you want to change it, just click browse and then set it to the folder where you want to save it, but if you're already fine with the location, just click next once again. And finally, you can now click the install button. And then the app will now start installing, just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, it's done. Congratulations, your Darktable will now be installed on your device. By the way guys, you might notice that even after installing Darktable, you might still not find the app on your desktop home screen. So to fix that, first, I want you to search for Darktable right here in order to find the app. And after searching, you will now find the app, so I want you to right-click it. And then select Open File Location. And after that, I want you to right-click this Darktable file right here. And then click Show More Options. And after clicking it, you will now be able to see this Create Shortcut button right here. Just go and select it. And then click the Yes button. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, your Darktable app will now be added to your desktop home screen, so you can now start using it for photo editing. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.